Hey, I'm Matthew Vitorino, and I'm just doing a quick little video on how to replace your Joycon joystick. I highly suggest you get the iFixit, whatever it's called, the iFixit replacement for it, because it gives you a high quality joystick along with tweezers that you can use for pretty much anything. It's not this exact one, it's one made of plastic, but it still works. A screwdriver, and then it gives you two screwdriver heads. The Torx Y00, this one is to get into the actual case. I believe all of mine are still, yep, they are. They're all still Torx. And this one is just a Phillips, I think 000. So that should be what you need to do this repair. So let's get started. Helps if you have something like a magnetic board, not really a board, but like something to keep track of where you're keeping all of your screws so you don't mix them up, don't forget where you put them. Just makes it easier when you're building it again. There's also iFixit tutorial, like a written tutorial. They probably have a video as well, but that is very, very helpful if you're taking apart one of these for the first time. It just gives you all the steps you need to go through. I'm pretty sure that you need to be careful with one of the ribbon cables, just in case it's connected to the other side of the case. So mine I've opened up already, so I can pry mine, but you will probably need to use a pry tool, which comes with the iFixit. I forgot the name, but it gives you all the stuff you need for it. So I have this piece of tape. The reason I have this piece of tape there is because I had a problem with the contacts of the ribbon cable not fully being in connection with the where it terminates. So I had to put the tape in to apply some pressure, make sure it works fine and dandy. Yeah, I switched it out to the SNES case because I thought it kind of looked cool. I still like it. I'm happy I did that. These case mods you can get for pretty cheap as well. So let me grab my pry tool. Make sure I don't hurt the battery leads, because you kind of need the battery for the whole thing to work. So you take it off there, you make sure to be careful. And here that you need to use these babies. Nice pair of tweezers to grab onto it, wiggle while lifting, and then you should be able to get it out. So now is time for the Phillips head. So as long as I get that in there, should be able to take off this part now. One, two, yeah, iFixit is just a very, very nice utility for everything you need. They got, one thing I'm really surprised, like I looked at some of their micro soldering tutorials for a project I'm working on where I'm trying to, instead of a USB micro B on my PlayStation controller, I would like to change it to a USB-C. And for that, I'm going to have to do some micro soldering. I don't know if micro soldering is the correct word, but it's very small soldering. So there is also, right there, another screw you have to undo. And once you get this screw undid. Is undid the right word for that? Not sure. Oh, yep, watch out for that ribbon cable right there. 2 ribbon cables. Okay, so for these, I don't know if I can get a good angle, but there's a little lever. I'm pretty sure there's a lever on this one. That's on this side, I believe. Yep. So I lifted that lever, and then this lever is the gray part. Okay, both levers are lifted. You pull, and then don't pull on the cable itself, because that has a chance of breaking it. So now we are exposed to this area. We didn't have to take that off yet, but we actually, do we have to take it off at all? No, I don't believe we have to take that off at all. So we have exposed the joystick. So now we are in the home stretch. All you have to do now is take that out. Take these 2 screws connecting it out. Make sure you know where they are. Then take this off from that location right there, from its terminating point. There you go. This is not held in by anything right now, huh? Beautiful. All right, let me get this back in place. All right, once that is marked off there, it looks good to the eye. So, oh my god. Wait, what is this? Okay, I need to be very conscientious, because I should have taken off this piece of tape earlier. I did not notice that right there was something that I also had to take off. So when you do yours, make sure to take that off. This isn't the best tutorial. I highly, highly, highly recommend looking at iFixit's guide to it. So now we open this up. Get the goodies inside, or the goodie inside. Make sure you don't cut the cable. That is something that will hurt if you notice that you did that. It will physically... Okay. So, now I believe this got out of whack, so I believe I put it back into whack. Lift you up. Move you. Put you into play. Okay, so that's into place. Now we can place this into where it is supposed to be housed. Let's lift it up a little bit while we do this. So now this is magnetic, so that makes it a lot easier. I'm not 100% sure if the plastic one is magnetic, but the ProTech toolkit is another thing. Like if you do repairs a lot, or if you enjoy this as a hobby, then I highly suggest getting that, because it has almost all the heads you would want for your screwdriver for repairing small electronics. I built a desk with one of these, I think with this one exactly before, but it did like murder my hands, so that was not the best. But hey, yeah, I like it a lot. This is like, yeah. Alright, so now you plug these into where they go. I believe it's in all the way. Looks good. It doesn't look that right, but I think it is. I may have messed that up when I opened it up last time. Alright, so that is in. Let me try pushing it a little bit more. Nope, that is in. Let me push down evenly. There we go. Alright. Let's connect this baby right here. I need to put the tape down again. I don't remember exactly how I did it before, but I have an idea. If you do this correctly, you should not have to put down the tape. The tape was just from me making a mistake. But mistakes are fine because you learn from them. I may remove this one so I can see what I'm doing. There. Oh, that was not in, I don't think. Or, I don't know. Alright. Let me make sure you guys can see what's going on. Alright. You probably still can't see, but I'm going to try my best. Alright. Hold on, let me hold that open with my finger. And grab onto this. There. Perfect. That's what you want. That's a good connection. Good connection as well. I felt that go in. Push a little more just to make sure. Alright, that one's good. Where did I put? There it is. It's hiding in plain sight. So, I believe this has all the screw points I need. So I'm going to connect this right here. In my other videos are going to have actual editing in them, so you don't have to listen to me ramble on. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Actually, is that what I'm looking for? I'm looking for here. Is it going to be? It's going to be face down, so that is for sure. I don't know if you can hear the crickets, but they are out. Ooh, it's been hot recently. Like, it's been crazy hot. Alright, okay, that is open. You know what? I think I'm going to skip past this part unless I get it on this time. Let me actually try from the other way. I need to try a new approach, I believe. This isn't the way I meant, but I am right-handed. This would probably be easier if you were left-handed. Alright, oh, no. There we go. Plugged in. All right. What else? So I have to tape that connector to make sure that it makes buttons. Come on, get into place correctly. That into place correctly. That is into place correctly. So, oh, I did get it. So I guess no editing. How long has the video been? 15 minutes, not that bad. The more you do it, the better you get at it. This is a pretty quick repair. I haven't taken apart a Switch controller in about a year, I believe. Yeah, it just came right. Why is these two are the same? What? Oh, wait, did I? The last time I took this apart, I did. I used the wrong screws. Oh my god, wait, is that going to show up on the other side? Is that going to show up on the other side? It didn't. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't make my mistake. These are colored. They're like a kind of greenish yellow. And this, the ones you have to put in, are just silver. I'm going to not mess with that because I don't want to break another ribbon cable. The problem is the connector. I remember because I believe, yeah, this is a replacement cable. But it was the contact that was the problem, and I did not want to buy a completely new motherboard because that's expensive. So tape it is, and the tape has worked for about a year. It probably won't work forever, but when the time comes, I can make a more official repair. I'm glad I caught that though. I don't think it really would have. I don't think it would have ruined the Switch, but I like things to be the way that they are supposed to be. Usually, sometimes it's cool if it's not. Okay. All right. Okay, all the screws are correct now, so that is good. Oh, I wonder where those batteries are made. Made in China. .7 volts. I wonder whether or not 3.5 volts. That's the standard, I believe, right? I wonder if there's a reason for that. I should probably check up on that. Alright. Alright, now last one. This one right here. Alright. Now, take this plug, align it to where it is supposed to go. Oh, you shouldn't do that. Whoops. I remember now. I remember how angry that used to make me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now you're seeing. Yeah, this is why you gotta be careful. You gotta be more careful. Oh, I remember. No. What the hell am I doing? Okay, don't do this, but definitely don't do that. I will work around that for right now, because that is pretty eaten up. Okay. So I'm gonna get new electrical tape. Alright. Same roll. Just wait about that size. Let me just Alright. That's in place. How much time has got? 22. I want to get this under 20 minutes, but it is fine. Alright. So, should I use new electric? Yeah, I probably should, because it's going to last longer then. That's about the size. Alright. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on that, but... Oh, wait. Think that worked? Alright. I put in the same one. Alright, that's how you do it though. So now you just put the screws on and you are done. That was stupid. Alright, that was a nice video. Alright, I don't know. I may post this. I probably will. Alright, thank you for watching.